Okay, so here's how to use the sizing template. You're going to start with the smallest size. Go ahead and cut all the way up along these here. Get rid of that. And then we're going to cut this out. Along the first smallest line. And then we're going to put it up to our face. And you can see here that this does not fit. It's wrinkling. So we're going to keep going, working our way up. So that first one was the extra small. This one's going to be the small here, which I'm a medium. So you'll see that the small almost looks like it fits, but doesn't quite go over my nose to my chin. So you can see here, still just a little bit of pucker in the fabric there. If you go too big, it's going to be over your eyes and you'll have gaps in your chin, so you won't get good air blockage. But if you go too small, it won't fit over your nose to your chin. So for this one, you can see here that it's just pretty much perfect right in between. So if I keep going up, I'm going to have more gaps here and here, so I'm a medium.